This video from the Answer series forms part of our question-by-question Diagnostic Report series. This short video highlights common errors and misconceptions articulated in the patterns and sequences topic of the Diagnostic Report. Let's start by having a look at the overall performance of the patterns and sequences section, and then we'll look at question 3 specifically. The Patterns and Sequences section of the November 2023 matric exam had a 63% average achievement countrywide. The whole of question 3 from this topic achieved a 48% average. If we look first at question 3.1, this part of the question achieved a 60% average. The question involved a geometric series, and learners had to write down the general term and calculate the value of k in the sigma equation. Here is the memo for question 3.1. You're welcome to pause the video here if you'd like to spend some time looking at the memo. So let's have a look now at the common errors and misconceptions laid out by the Diagnostic Report. Candidates were correctly able to determine the general term. However, most candidates incorrectly simplified Tn equals 3 times 2 to the n minus 1 to Tn equals 6 to the n minus 1. This did not impact the candidates in question 3.1.1, but did impact the candidate's ability to correctly solve 3.1.2. Then many candidates did not make the link between n and k in the sigma notation in 3.1.2. The candidates also showed little understanding of how to generate a series from sigma notation to identify the a and the r values. Further to this, some candidates substituted the calculated information in Tn rather than Sn. Question 3.2, with an average achievement of 35%, combined geometric and arithmetic sequences where the learner had to calculate the shared first term. Here is the memo for question 3.2, and pause for a moment if you need to spend some time on the memo. Let's look at the common errors and misconceptions for this question. Most candidates were unable to answer question 3.2 correctly. The interpretation of the sum of 22 terms of the arithmetic series is 734 more than the sum to infinity of the geometric sequence was incorrectly translated to S22 equals 734. The following are some suggestions for improvement for question 3. A. Teachers should emphasize the difference between the term, sum, and sum to infinity formulae in arithmetic and geometric patterns. B. The inclusion of word problems in the patterns section is important. Teachers need to emphasize how to take the words of a problem and write it in symbolic form to solve an equation or inequality. And C. Constant revision of exponential laws to solve equations correctly is pivotal to candidate success. Teachers need to emphasize this and revise this thoroughly in all grades.
If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new episodes. Follow us on Instagram or Facebook to stay on top of the latest TAS news and launches. So that's it for now from the Answer series, your key to exam success.